In this module, we will discuss the basics of Copilot, starting with the question: what is Copilot? Copilot is Microsoft's AI tool that helps users work more efficiently by providing smart suggestions and generating content across Microsoft apps. What is it? Copilot is Microsoft's AI assistant that works inside tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. It helps by writing text, creating summaries, generating ideas, and suggesting actions, making your work easier and faster. Clock history of Microsoft Copilot. Times 2021, GitHub Copilot preview released. GitHub Copilot, developed by GitHub and OpenAI, was introduced as an AI pair programmer that helps write code using natural language prompts. What is it? In 2021, Microsoft and OpenAI launched GitHub Copilot, a tool for developers. It uses AI to help write code when you describe what you want using plain language. Times 2022, GitHub Copilot becomes generally available. After its preview phase, GitHub Copilot was officially launched to developers worldwide. What is it? By 2022, GitHub Copilot became available to everyone. Developers across the world could now use it to speed up their coding work. Times late 2022, Microsoft expands Copilot branding. Microsoft began integrating Copilot into its broader suite of tools, bringing AI capabilities to productivity apps. What is it? Later in 2022, Microsoft started using the Copilot name for more than just code tools. It expanded it into apps like Word and Excel. Times 2023, Microsoft 365 Copilot announced. Copilot was introduced into Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams, combining large language models with business data in Microsoft Graph. What is it? In 2023, Microsoft 365 Copilot was launched. It combines AI with your company's data from Microsoft Graph to offer tailored help in everyday apps like Word and Excel. Times 2023, Bing Chat becomes Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft rebrand Bing Chat and Bing Chat Enterprise to Microsoft Copilot, simplifying the naming and unifying the experience. What is it? Later in 2023, Microsoft renamed Bing Chat to Microsoft Copilot to make the naming consistent across all products. Between 2023 and 2024, Copilot was introduced to more Microsoft tools, such as Windows Copilot for your operating system, Security Copilot to help with cybersecurity, Viva Copilot to support employee experience, Power Platform Copilot for low-code app creators. Times 2024 and beyond, enterprise expansion and customization. Microsoft enabled more customization, enterprise licensing options, and integration tools so businesses can build and control their own Copilot experiences. What is it? From 2024 onwards, Microsoft made Copilot even more flexible. Companies can now customize it, integrate it with their systems, and control how their data is used. Course update: Copilot naming and licensing. Name change. In late 2023, Microsoft renamed Bing Chat and Bing Chat Enterprise to Microsoft Copilot. People often call it Microsoft Copilot for the web. How you access and use it hasn't changed, just the name. What is it? In 2023, the name Bing Chat was changed to Microsoft Copilot. The tool stayed the same, only the name changed. It's often called Copilot for the web now. Licensing updates for Copilot for Microsoft 365. Available for small businesses, you no longer need a minimum number of licenses. You can now buy just one if you want. Works with Office 365 E3 E5. You don't need a Microsoft 365 license anymore. Copilot can now be added to Office 365 E3 or E5 plans too. Now available for education tenants. Schools and educational institutions can now also use Copilot for Microsoft 365. New licensing changes make Copilot more accessible. Small businesses can buy just one license. Office 365 E3 E5 users can now add Copilot. Previously, it required Microsoft 365. Schools and universities can also use Copilot. Important: these updates only affect product names and licensing. The features you learn in this course remain the same. Some older resources, like blogs or training materials, may still use the old product names, but they refer to the same tools. Don't worry, these are just name and license changes. The features and tools are still the same, even if some older blogs use the old names.